U.S. stocks dropped this Monday morning as investors continue to deal with signs of a second wave of coronavirus cases here in the United States as the economy reopens. The action this Monday morning followed a big pullback last week, triggered by rising fears of a resurgence in the virus as well as investors' profit-taking following the recent massive rally. Now, in terms of the Forex market, it's more of the same since the morning. The euro dollar, that sees a rebound. The British pound US dollar pair sees a rebound as well, while the dollar yen, that's in a period of consolidation. Now, the Australian dollar US dollar pair sees a rebound, and that's in focus. The pair breaking above a declining trend line and remains on the upside. Long positions above 0.6775 are favored with targets at 0.6910 and 0.6950 in extension. The Bitcoin dollar, that's under pressure with the pivot point standing at 93.56. And gold, that continues to remain on the downside, while over in silver, that continues to remain under pressure. Now, the pair remains under pressure below its resistance at 1727. Short positions below that figure are favored with targets at 1683 and 1664 in extension. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from New York City on this Monday afternoon, I'm James Sweeney.